Okay children, welcome back to our fourth lesson, weather and seasons. What did we learn in last class? We studied about the four weathers. First of all, what is a weather? What is weather? Who will tell me? Yes, the condition of air around us. How is air? Whether it is hot air is blowing or cold winds are blowing or clouds are there in the sky, dark clouds, or what is there? There is a rainfall. So we have seen four weathers, that is sunny, cloudy, rainy and windy. Now we are going to study something about seasons. We all know in India we have three main seasons. Which are they? Summer season, rainy season and winter season. And we also know during summer season the sun shines very brightly. Full day it is very hot. During afternoon time we cannot go out because it is too hot. Our skin starts burning, our face starts burning. So to protect ourselves from sun, either we use sunglasses or we use umbrella or we put a hat so that our skin is not damaged, and when it is very urgent or when it is very necessary to move out, only during that time in summer season we go out. Otherwise we don't move during afternoon time or during morning time when it is very, very hot. So the sun shines very brightly and hot winds blow. As in summer season the sun shines very brightly and hot winds blow, and the hot winds, when hot winds blow, it is called loo, L-O-O, loo. During afternoon time hot winds blow and it is called loo. Morning also it is very hot, but afternoon time it is more hot and we cannot go out. If we want to go out, either we put a hat, we use an umbrella or we put sunglasses to protect ourselves from the heat of the sun. Summer clothes. Now in summer season we wear light cotton clothes. We don't wear woolen clothes or we don't wear thick clothes. We wear light cotton clothes because cotton clothes keep us cool. We can feel relaxed. So we wear light cotton clothes in summer and cotton clothes keep us cool. We don't wear very thick clothes or very heavy clothes, which is of like woolen clothes or of silk clothes. We don't wear such clothes because they are very heavy, they keep our body more warm. But in summer season we need our body to be cool. So we wear cotton clothes, light cotton clothes. Here you can see the pictures of light cotton clothes. Here you can see the pictures of children, and here you can see the picture of clothes, which light cotton clothes we wear in summer. Next is summer fruits. As it is very hot in summer, we need to drink more and more water. We need to drink more and more juice, or we need to eat juicy fruits. So which fruits are juicy and why do we need more and more water? Why do we need to eat juicy fruits? Because in summer it is very hot. Even our body temperature becomes very hot. So we need more and more water. To keep our body hydrated, we need more and more water, and so we need to eat juicy fruits. Now which fruits are available in summer, or which are the juicy fruits which we get in summer? Grapes, mango, papaya, orange, muskmelon, watermelon. All these fruits are very juicy and we need more and more water. We need to drink more and more juice. So we eat these fruits to keep our body hydrated. During summer season we like to be in pool or enjoy ice creams and cold drinks. As I told you, it is very hot in summer. Our body needs more and more water. Our body needs to be cool. So children and even elders like to eat ice creams to keep our body cool, and also cold drinks, and some children, they like to be in swimming pool. Some go on the beach at evening time and they like to be in the water. Why? Because it is very hot. So children like to play in the pool and they like to have cold drinks and ice creams. Next we will see rainy season. As we all know, during rainy season there are dark clouds in the sky. There is lightning and thunder. And as thunder and lightning starts, heavy rains start falling. During rainy season, it rains very often. Very often means again and again, or sometimes full day also, or sometimes for 2-3 days also, it is continuously raining. We use an umbrella or wear raincoat. Why do we use umbrella or why do we wear raincoat? So that our body does not become wet. To protect our body from rain, we use an umbrella or raincoat. If we don't use an umbrella or raincoat, we may get wet. And when we get wet, what happens? We have cold and then sickness. So to protect our body, we use an umbrella or raincoat in rainy season. Children like to jump in puddles. Some children, they like to jump in puddles. As I told you before, when there are heavy rains, everywhere the water is gathered, and somewhere small puddles. Puddles means a place where a water is gathered there, and after some time it goes away on its own, or it has the drainage, it will come out. Sometimes some children, they like to jump in those puddles. When it is raining, they like to jump in the puddles, they like to play in the puddles, they like to sit in the water. So in rainy season, it rains very often. We use an umbrella or we wear a raincoat. And some children, they like to enjoy in the puddles, they like to play in the puddles. Next is winter season. As we all know, winter season means it is very cold, and to protect us from cold, what do we use? Yes, we wear woolen jackets, we wear sweaters, we use mufflers, and sometimes we use hand gloves also. When it is very cold, even our hands start shivering, they become very cold. So to keep our hands warm, what do? We put gloves on our hands. We wear woolen clothes such as sweaters, jackets, mufflers and caps, and we also use hand gloves to keep ourselves warm because outside it is very cold. During winter season, we do not use cotton clothes because cotton clothes will keep us more cool. We will feel more cold in winter season. So we use woolen clothes which keeps our body warm. Winter season. In winter season, the sun rays are not too hot and cold winds blow because very strong winds are blowing and the sun is not too hot. When the sun rays are not there, when the sun does not shine very brightly, then we start feeling cold. Here you can see, this is the picture of a fog. In the morning, the sun does not rise very brightly. So, even we are nearer to something or some road is near to us, we cannot see each other because fog is there. Fog, you can see the picture, this is called fog. Everywhere it looks like the clouds have gathered on the earth and the clouds are near us. So we cannot see each other or we cannot see the things very clearly. That is called fog. And the second picture you see where there is very cold especially in mountains where there is heavy snowfall. The full house, the full roads, trees, then the vehicles, everything is covered with snow. Here you can see the house and the trees. Here you can see the vehicles are parked at night and one car is moving on the road which and the road is also covered with snow. It is very difficult to drive. So, sometimes the roads are also blocked. So, in winter season, heavy snowfall is there. We use woolen clothes and cold winds blow. During winter season, people like to sit near campfire or use heater. As I told you, in summer season, we like to keep our body, or we want to keep our body cool. So, we eat ice creams, we drink cold drinks, we like to be there in the swimming pool. In the same way, during winter season, as it is very cold, people like to sit near campfire. People gather in a circle, then they light fire in the between, and then they just put their hands little bit far, not nearer. They put their hands towards the fire so that the heat comes towards their hands, towards their body, and they feel little bit warm. Many people, they use heater. As in summer season, we use air condition to keep the room cool. In the same way, in winter season, people use heater, so the room is kept warm. There is warmth in the room. So, in summer season, as we use air condition to keep ourselves cool, to keep the room cool, in the same way, in winter season, heaters are used to keep the rooms warm. Now, let us recollect what is weather. The condition of air around us is called weather. As I told you, weather can be sunny, cloudy, rainy or windy. It is not necessary that once the sun shines very brightly, the whole day it will shine very brightly. Yes, it happens only when summer season is there. When particular season is there, that time the sun shines very brightly. But weather can change any time, and it may change every day also. We may have sunny, rainy, windy or cloudy weather. That means some morning if it is sunny, in afternoon it may be windy, evening it may start raining, and again at night we may feel hot. So, weather changes every day. When the weather remains same for a long period, we call it season. When the weather remains same for many days, for many months, for a long period, it is called a season. And we have 3 seasons: summer season, winter season and rainy season. Children, remember there are 4 types of weather: sunny, rainy, windy and cloudy. And there are 3 types of seasons, that is summer season, rainy season and winter season. Hope you all have understood this lesson. Learn all the lessons thoroughly and get good marks. Thank you.